Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are taking a look at a fifth wheel that consistently tops the charts for customer satisfaction and build quality. This is the 2020 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS. For the experienced RVer, the Grand Design name represents premium engineering and residential comfort. This unit measures in at 32 feet long and weighs in at a very half-ton friendly 9,395 pounds. It features 3 large slide-outs that completely maximize your living space once you're set up at the campground. Take a look at the exterior condition. The fiberglass sidewalls and graphics look fantastic. Grand Design is famous for their attention to detail, and this coach features the premium Arctic insulation package. This gives you a true 4 seasons protection rating with a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, ensuring your valves and lines stay safe whether you are camping in the summer heat or taking a winter mountain trip. Along the passenger side, notice that this unit comes equipped with 2 power patio awnings. Having dual awnings is a massive feature because it covers nearly the entire side of the coach, giving you a huge shaded outdoor living area. You also have rugged exterior speakers so you can keep the music going while you're relaxing outside. For storage, you have a massive pass-through front basement storage compartment that can easily house all your larger gear, lawn chairs, and setup tools. This Reflection features a 50-amp service with a detachable extension cord and handy battery disconnects. Setup at the campground is completely effortless thanks to the automatic leveling jacks with simple touchpad controls. Every inch of this exterior indicates a fifth wheel that has been meticulously cared for. Let's wrap up the walkout here and head inside to see why the 303 RLS layout is one of the most celebrated floor plans in the industry. Stepping through the entry door, you are immediately greeted by a wide-open, beautifully styled residential interior. As we pan across the kitchen and living room area, you can see how the opposing slide-outs create an incredible sense of width and space. The rich wood tones, premium lighting, and neutral decor elements give this Reflection a warm, custom home feel. Grand Design really leads the pack when it comes to interior design, and this layout balances open-concept luxury with absolute functionality perfectly. Let's dive right into the details of this magnificent galley. The kitchen is an absolute dream for the traveling chef. The centerpiece here is a beautiful freestanding kitchen island that houses a massive stainless steel residential sink and high-rise faucet. This island provides an incredible amount of extra counter space for meal prep or serving snacks. Looking at your appliances, you have a Norcold gas and electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a full gas oven, and a microwave oven above. For storage, you are exceptionally well equipped with an abundance of deep drawers, solid cabinetry doors, and a dedicated pantry closet right here in the slide. This means you can easily stock up on dry goods and kitchen gear for those extended cross-country trips. The solid surface countertops are beautiful, and Grand Design's signature handcrafted cabinetry really shines in this galley, keeping all your tools organized and right at your fingertips. It is a clean, bright, and highly efficient workflow. Right adjacent to the kitchen is a very unique table dinette. It features a comfortable booth bench on one side and 2 freestanding residential chairs on the other. It gives you the absolute best of both worlds for dining comfort or game night. Moving into the rear living room. This is your ultimate comfort zone. You have premium dual-power recliners that face directly towards the entertainment center. This main hub features a large 50-inch TV paired with an electric fireplace below. The fireplace adds a wonderful ambiance to the coach and serves as an excellent source of electric heat on those chilly mornings. At the very back is a large pull-out sleeper sofa that easily converts into a bed, ensuring this Reflection can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. It's a spectacular room for unwinding after a day of exploration. We are going to head out of the rear living area and walk up the stairs through the hallway towards the elevated front bedroom. You'll notice how quiet and solid the construction feels beneath your feet. Tucked neatly away in the hall is easy access to your control panel and bathroom entry. Let's check out the master suite first. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This elevated front bedroom features a comfortable queen-sized bed that provides plenty of walk-around space on both sides. For storage, you have a massive wardrobe closet built into the third slide-out, along with a dedicated bank of drawers for all your travel attire and gear. The room is quiet, cozy, and perfectly separated from the main living area, serving as a peaceful sanctuary for a great night's rest. You've got windows on both sides to catch a nice cross breeze, and the bedroom is even equipped with its own secondary roof AC to ensure you stay perfectly cool and comfortable on those warm summer nights. It's a beautifully optimized bedroom layout. Just steps away from the bedroom is your private bathroom, and Grand Design did not skimp on the space here. The highlight is a large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light and excellent headroom. You have a solid vanity with a sink, plenty of medicine cabinet storage for your toiletries, a toilet, and a power vent fan to keep the space fresh. It's a bright, clean, and highly functional layout that provides all the comforts of home, making it easy to get ready for the day ahead. This 2020 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is a phenomenal option for anyone looking for a high-quality 4 seasons fifth wheel. To recap, you are looking at a 32-foot layout weighing under 10,000 pounds, featuring 3 slides, a kitchen island, dual awnings, and an electric fireplace. If you want to see this reflection in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!